Carrying around my new Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus with confidence matters, right? It looks nice and neat, sleek, brand new design. Well, our friends over at Caseborne by Armadillo Tech sent us their brand new MagSafe ready case to help my confidence and yours when it comes to carrying the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. They sent this over in return for a fair and honest review, and that is what we will do. So I do want to thank Caseborne and Armadillo Tech for sending over their latest and greatest. Let's go check out what they got real quick, because I do have a promo code for you. Now, if you go over to getcaseborne.com, this is the case we are about to review. It is the MagSafe case. It is clear, slim, yet rugged. Does come with the MagSafe magnet on there. We have a wireless charger ready to test down as we put it on the new device. Now, you can purchase this on Amazon. I will leave links in the description, but if you go to getcaseborne.com, add it to your cart, and simply put our custom promo code in, that is eSIM10, 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 should get you a nice discount there on this stylish yet safe case for your device. Let's look at some of the features that is on this case. We have metal ring integrated for MagSafe compatibility, raised lip that protects the screen and camera, tactile buttons for solid feedback and easy pressing, hybrid technology for shock absorption. We all need shock absorption, and they offer plenty of drop protection, also with an added anti-slip textures for better grip. Now, they all not only do they offer that, but they also offer a limited lifetime warranty. When do you ever hear that in regards to cases for your phone? It's built to endure military grade phone case protection, a very tough phone case at that. Now, let's get down to the nitty gritty. It also includes a screen protector, I believe. Let's open this up and see what we got. I do have got a new studio here, so we are going, our very first case review is the Caseborne case. Now, the added feature I have for our case reviews, because you know, here at eSIM Studios, we do the very best, most extensive case reviews on all of YouTube, so it was only right that Armadillo Tech sent over their latest and greatest Caseborne case. So I have a look down view that gives us and I'm also going to zoom in as well so we can get a little clearer look. But here is the Caseborne box, right? Nice box, very, very nice presentation. Let's open this thing up and see what we got here. Now, very nice, very, very nice. You have the MagSafe case right here. Boy, look at that. Phenomenal. So this is great, right? Great compatibility. As you know, with iPhone, they're built in, but with Android, they're not. And if you have a MagSafe car mount for your car, phenomenal accessory. This will work with it, right? So if your wife has an iPhone and uses it all the time, but you have an Android and you've always wanted to use that MagSafe car mount but never could, well, Caseborne has got you covered, because their MagSafe case will definitely work with that. Now, as I mentioned, it comes with a screen protector here. Let's lay this all out. Got your wipes for the applying the screen protector. We can help kids in need together. You have a nice little, they always throw a nice little touch in there. Look, this is a local United States company. You want to support the companies that are here in this country. This is a great way to do it, right? This is the best way to do it, is order a case, and they got good products. Like, you all know I've reviewed a number of their cases, right, for iPhone and Pixel and Galaxy devices, and the quality shows, right? It really does. They're based out of Frisco, Texas, I believe, just outside of Dallas. See, what other case company does that? A handwritten note. So you know it's all about quality. It's all about good standard. Another nice little Caseborne by Armadillo Tech. Got them on, geez, that's almost every social media platform in the world. Cool. All right, so let's see here. Wow, they give you two. They give you two screen protectors. Another added bonus, right? You mess up on one, you got one to spare, right? Perfect, nice and thin. This is glass, right? It's not film or anything. This is a glass screen protector, right? We'll slap that on here, and here is the case. Now let me zoom in a little bit so we can examine this a little more. There we go. Now let me take my face off of the screen. There we go. That is a much better view. Sorry. Okay. So let's see what we got here. So it looks like this is a polycarbonate. You have a nice flexible sides for easy putting your phone in and out. Not going to struggle with it. So it's flexible on all four sides, right? But you have the nice, sturdy, rigid frame and hard polycarbonate back. I believe these sides are probably TPU, and the back is polycarbonate, I believe. I'm not sure they put the materials on there, but that's what it looks like. So up top, you got a nice cutout. There you go, right there for the two microphones on the top of the S24 Plus. You have your power, your volume down, your volume up. Nice ribbed grips on either side. Huge bonus. So when you're walking around, you have it in your hand. Grips really, really nice. You do have the added air pockets. You can see that right there in all four corners. There's a nice big one right here. And then at the bottom, air pocket there, air pocket there. That's what I like to see. It's good for shock absorption if you ever drop your device. Knock on wood. You have the little lanyard insert right there. So if you want to carry it around and put a lanyard on there, you can. And you have a nice big cutout for the USB Type-C cable right there, as well as a cutout, precise cutout for the speakers. Now, let's go ahead and throw this on. Snap it on, goes on nice and easy. Wow, look at that. Let me set that down. Look at that. Now that is a nice looking case. You know what? Having a case like this, honestly, is great, because not only is it going to protect your phone from drops, right? But it also lets you showcase the new colors that Samsung came out with this device, right? Because on so many cases, it's a colored back, right? So when you're carrying around the phone, nobody knows what color you have. With this, you can show off the pretty violet color that this device came in. That's what I really like about this. It feels really good in the hand. It's absolutely perfect. Nice, precise cutouts, camera protection. Look at that. Got plenty of protection, so you're not going to scratch the camera sensors if it's on its back on a surface, and plenty of lip. Look at that. All the way around the device on all four sides. Really nice case. You can see the bumpers. Sorry. You can see the air pockets in all four corners. That is key for drop protection. Glad to see those, as I mentioned earlier, but man, it looks nice. Buttons are nice and easy to push. Let me see if I can get these close to the microphone so you can hear the clickies. Very easy to push down, no issues there. And MagSafe. Now, speaking of, I have my wireless charger down here somewhere. Let me see if I can find it. Here we go. Let's test it out. So with the added MagSafe, this has magnets in there, as you can tell. It is MagSafe compatible. Should slap on there pretty easy. And that's the other thing with cases that don't have this, is how many case reviews have y'all seen me do where I gotta maneuver just right to find the wireless charging position, and when you do find it, it's like, oh, don't touch the phone. You're gonna mess up the charging. This, just slap it on there. Boom. Watch. Wirelessly charging. Look at that. You just throw it on there. And is it, I know your next question is, well, is it sturdy? Like what if it gets bumped or moved around? Is it going to knock off the wireless charging pad? The answer is no. Check this out. I am holding it with my thumb, waving it back and forth. It's not going anywhere. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This is really nice. I really like this. Really nice. Let's throw on the screen protector real quick, and I'll walk y'all through that. Pretty easy. First thing you do is, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this thing off, right? Here's what you do. I'll walk you through this. So we got a wet wipe and a dry wipe. It's pretty self-explanatory, right? So what you're going to do is take your wet wipe and you are going to clean the screen. No matter what, clean the screen with the provided wipe, because Caseborne has got a special formulated solution that they throw in here with this pad. And it cleans all of the grease, fingerprints, any debris you have on your display needs to be removed with Caseborne's provided wipes. After you get that done, you simply take your dry wipe and you, what do you know, clean it dry. Pretty self-explanatory. So you do the wet first, you do the dry second. Move that to the side there. You're gonna blow off any remaining dust. Now, here's the key. Here's what I do. Put the case on it, clean it, put the case on it, and you can use the case as a guide for applying the screen protector. Plus, you're going to know that when you put on the screen protector, after you put the screen protector on, when you put the case on, it's not going to lift it up. But that's another good thing about this case. It's not going to lift up any of the screen protector. It just barely fits around the edges. So we'll take it just like that. Then you get a screen protector out like this. Make sure make sure you clean your hands before you do. Get all the lint and dust, make sure there's none. And what you're going to do is there's a tab there. You're simply just going to peel the tab off. Right? And we're just going to lay it down. Just like so. Look at that. Let it do its thing. And then once it fully engages on the display, then you can work out any remaining air bubbles. But wow, look at that. Yep, there's none. There's no bubbles whatsoever. And that tells me that Caseborne is using quality products, because some of the cheaper stuff you find online, you'll have some air pockets here, some air pockets there, and you got to spend 5 or 10 minutes trying to work them out. With this, you witnessed it, right? From top to bottom, whoop, went right on. So let's take a look. Wow, perfect. Man, that's really nice. Look at that. It does not lift up on the screen protector, the case I'm talking about. Look at this. Now that'll go away, as you know. There's a teeny tiny strip, but that's normal to get a little strip down there. That'll go away in about 12 to 24 hours. But look at that. Look how awesome that is. So not only do they protect your device with this case, they also protect your screen as well. So you got full protection with this, and you got MagSafe compatibility. It sounds like a win-win to me. So this is the Caseborne MagSafe case by Armadillo Tech for the S24 Plus. You can find links in the description box below. You can find the promo code eSIM10 in the description box below. I would like to thank Armadillo Tech and Caseborne for sending this out. Beautiful, beautiful case. I think I will put it to use here this afternoon. So, you're running some errands around. I have a MagSafe car mount in my car. It would be perfect. Slap it up on there. So, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. And as always, we will see you tomorrow. Peace out.